Hey everyone, welcome back to Think Too Rich. If you love learning about success, money, and mindset, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. The traditional path to wealth, climbing the corporate ladder, building a huge team, is being completely rewritten. Imagine a business that runs 24/7, serves clients globally, and scales without you hiring a single person. What if you could build a $1 million empire, completely solo? No office, no employees, just you, your laptop, and the most powerful leverage in human history, artificial intelligence. This isn't a far-off future, it's happening right now. This is the new era of the one-person empire, where AI isn't just a tool, it's your co-founder, your marketing department, and your operations manager, all rolled into one. In this video, I'm revealing 5 real AI business ideas you can start right now, each with $1 million potential, even if you're starting from zero. So grab your coffee and a notebook, because these ideas aren't just theories. They are proven, actionable blueprints that solo entrepreneurs are using right now to generate anywhere from $10,000 to over $100,000 a month. And the best part? You can start today. First, the AI automation agency. Think about it. Every business, from a local dental clinic to a global e-commerce brand, is drowning in repetitive tasks. They spend countless hours on admin work that doesn't directly make them money. That's where you come in. You become their efficiency expert, using no-code tools like Zapier, Make.com, and AI models like ChatGPT to build automated workflows that save them time and cut costs. For example, you could create a system that automatically qualifies new leads from a website, adds them to a CRM, and sends a personalized welcome email sequence. Or build a smart chatbot that handles 80% of customer service questions, freeing up their team for high-value problems. You're not just selling a service. You're selling them back their most valuable asset, time. The key is to start by niching down. Become the go-to automation expert for real estate agents or for online coaches. One client can pay you $1,000, $5,000 per month on retainer. Land just 10 clients, and you've built a 6-figure business. Fast. Second, faceless YouTube automation. The fear of being on camera is no longer an excuse. AI has completely democratized video creation. Tools like InVideo or Pictory can turn a simple script into a full video with stock footage and captions. AI voice generators like 11 Labs create incredibly realistic narration. The entire production line can be automated. But don't be generic. Think hyper-specific. Instead of finance, try AI-powered stock analysis for beginners. Instead of history, try untold stories of ancient Roman engineering. The more niche you are, the faster you'll build a loyal audience. And don't just rely on ad revenue. You can promote affiliate products in your description, sell your own digital guides, or even launch merchandise. Many faceless creators are earning $5,000, $30,000 a month from multiple income streams, and it all starts with one good niche idea and a few smart AI tools. Third, the AI content creation studio. Every single brand needs a constant stream of content to stay relevant online, but most are slow, expensive, and inconsistent. As a one-person AI studio, you can offer an irresistible package, an entire month's worth of high-quality social media posts, blog articles, and email newsletters, delivered in a fraction of the time and cost of a traditional agency. Your role shifts from creator to creative director. The AI, like ChatGPT for copy and Midjourney for images, generates the raw material. You provide the crucial 20%, the strategy, the brand voice, and the final human polish. To land your first clients, create a stunning portfolio by making spec work for brands you admire. Then, reach out and show them how you can do it better, faster, and smarter. This idea works worldwide, from New York to New Delhi, and it scales beautifully as a solo operation. Fourth, the AI education or coaching brand. Right now, there is a massive knowledge gap. Millions of professionals and business owners are hearing about AI every day, but they feel overwhelmed and have no idea how to practically apply it. They are actively looking for a guide. You can be that guide. You don't need to be the world's top expert. You just need to be one step ahead of the people you're teaching. And you can use AI to build the entire business. Use ChatGPT to outline your course curriculum and write your video scripts. Use an AI presentation maker like Gamma to design your slides in minutes. Then, use AI to write your sales page and marketing emails. You can build an entire educational empire on platforms like Kajabi or Teachable, teaching valuable skills like AI for small business owners or prompt engineering for creatives. Some solo creators are making over $50,000 per month from online courses alone, all built with AI as their primary assistant. And number 5, AI SaaS, software as a service, using no-code platforms. This is the golden age of the micro SaaS, a small, niche software product that solves one specific problem extremely well. You're not trying to build the next Instagram. Instead, you build a tool that helps authors overcome writer's block with AI prompts, or an app that generates personalized meal plans. By integrating the OpenAI API with no-code platforms like Bubble or Glide, you can build and launch a fully functional AI application without writing a single line of code. The leverage here is astronomical. You build the product once, and it can be sold to thousands of customers automatically. A simple tool priced at just $20 a month only needs 420 customers to generate over $100,000 a year in recurring revenue. It's the ultimate form of digital real estate powered by AI, and it's how solo founders are quietly building fortunes. If you're getting value from these ideas, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It tells YouTube you're enjoying the content and helps us reach more aspiring entrepreneurs just like you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Think Too Rich for more videos that help you grow smarter, richer, and better every day. See you in the next one.